My name's Robin Nichols. I'm from Basin. Oh, I had a great time. The grapple was good, and you know, the roads, I've ridden them before, so I know them pretty well. Oh, it was challenging. It was good for this time of year. It's good for exercise and be in shape.
Did you find it challenging to do with the beard on?
Yeah, it kept going up my nostrils and impairing my breathing. But actually, I didn't put it on until I got right up there.
That was the challenge, was to put it on. Yeah.